Thanks for calling We Care Pharmacy Prescription Refill Service. How can I help you today?
I'd like to refill a prescription, please.
Of course. Before we start, can you give me your patient ID and passphrase?
Yeah, my patient ID is 555123 and my passphrase is sunflower.
Thanks for verifying, Mr. Smith. I'll now look up what prescriptions we have on file for you.
Thank you.
Which prescription would you like to refill? I can see you have lisinopril 10 milligrams and atorvastatin 20 milligrams on file.
Can I refill lisinopril 10 milligrams, please?
You have 2 refills left. Sending it through now.
Great. When can I pick that up?
Your prescription will be ready later today.
Great. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Take care and feel free to reach out if you need anything else. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is our pharmacy prescription refill agent. We're using Quen. Here are instructions for the agent where we configure the flow of the questions that the agent should ask, the different variables it should use, like verifying the patient's ID, telling it which tools to use where. And down here is where we've configured our webhook tools. You heard at the start, the agent asked to verify the patient's ID and their passphrase. Then it checked what prescriptions were available for that patient. It checked the refill status to make sure that it was eligible for being refilled. And then it processed the refill to make sure the pharmacist has it ready for the patient to pick up. And then it reduces the number of refills that are on file for the patient, so the next time they call, the information is up to date. And we can view here really easily in the portal our conversation history. So this was me calling. I said my patient ID and my passphrase. So it's checking the database at the pharmacy using my passphrase and patient ID, and it found that my name was John Smith. So that's verified. And then it's getting all the prescriptions, and it can see that these are my 2 prescriptions. And then I asked to refill this prescription, and it uses the check refill status tool to make sure that I'm eligible for refills. And it says I have 2 left. And then it uses the process refill tool here to reduce the number of refills I have remaining to 1.